I'm on Helena Street in Salford M6 in the popular Irlam the Height location. Show you this new listing. It's a spacious 2-bedroom terrace property. As you enter, you go into this lovely lounge area which flows on through to a spacious dining room. And towards the rear of the property, you'll find this modern fitted kitchen with plenty of storage in these units. Irlam the Heights is a popular location because it's close to several well-kept parks, along with being within easy access with transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, immediate city and Manchester city centre as well. Upstairs, towards the front of the property, you'll find the main bedroom, which, as you can see, benefits from plenty of storage with this fitted furniture. And then we'll find the second bedroom just through here, which is a large double bedroom. And then towards the rear of the property, you'll see that we'll benefit from an extended bathroom, which is nice and modern, with a 3-piece suite. Properties in this area are incredibly popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.